I think that's the best way to create a future for Yiddish, is to learn its past. Okay, in general. The same thing about Hebrew. The problem is what you do not know, the past that has been forgotten, it has been negated. You need to come back to the past to create a future. And this should be the first, for me at least, this should be the first aim. Not, I have this reading group here and these classes that I give, not in order to create a new shtetl here in Berlin. It's not that. I'm not interested in converting any of my non-Jewish students. I do also have Jewish students, by the way, but it's not about that. It's about finding people who want, with me together, to learn and to study and to go back to things that have been forgotten, erased, or simply destroyed, especially here in the context of Berlin, of Europe. I think that this is the most important thing to do.